This is a super fast video on how I use my essentials with the jumbo hoop. I have my essentials open, and the first thing I do is I go to the hoop properties page, preferences, hoops, and I click on multi-position, and I'm going to choose the 5x12 frame, which is 130 by 300. I click apply, and I click OK. And here is my hoop displayed on the screen. I'm going to add some lettering, which is my favorite thing to do in this hoop. So I click on the letter A, I get the ABC. I choose my letters tab here on the left, and I'm going to type in my text. Happy, let's make it 2 lines, birthday, and I'm going to click set. Now, from the pull-down menu here, I can choose any of the built-in fonts of essentials, which are the ones that are in purple here without any needle, or I have the ones that are BX files that I purchased from digitizers for like Digistitches or Designs by Juju, and that's what I'll choose for this one. This is Designs by Juju Blooming Fancy. And it automatically, let me zoom in so we can see it better, changes the font to that custom font that we used. It's too big for the hoop as it is, but I don't like the way it looks anyway. So the first thing I'm going to do is adjust my spacing between the letters. So I can use my sliders bar to make the letters a little bit closer. I can also adjust individually by clicking on the letter and moving the lower triangle, and it grabs all the letters after it so that it adjusts my spacing that way. So you can really create some unique looks with the lettering as far as the true handwriting look, etc. Once you have the design set the way you want to, well, let me adjust the spacing here. I want this happy birthday to be lower. I have nothing selected, and I choose on the Fit to Hoop button, and it automatically sizes the design so that it fits in my hoop automatically. So I didn't really have to do anything else. So super easy. Now I want to save this design. I don't have to think about anything. I just go to the File menu and choose Save As or Save Stitch File As. The stitch file saves the PEZ files, but I haven't saved anything, and I want to save this whole design. So I'm going to choose Save As, and I'm going to call it Happy Birthday Split, just to give it a name. And I am done. If you want to see what the files are going to look like, because that's something you might want to do, click on Open, and I will go to where my design saved, which was this Happy Birthday Split Bottom. And that is what the file is going to look like, and that is file number 1. It is also giving you a text file, as you see here, and that gives you the stitching information. And then we have the top file, which goes in the top part of the hoop. Send file number 1 to the machine, put your hoop in the hoop position number 1, which it will tell you where it is in the text file. Stitch it out, move the hoop, load file number 2, stitch it out, poof, done. How easy was that?